Hello, welcome to Module 10 of our CapCut video editing series for beginners. In this module, I'll be showing you how to add captions to your videos right in CapCut. Now, ensure that the video is selected, right? And then you come to where you have text, then go down to where you have auto captions. Now, you can, of course, select the language, okay? So, but by default, you're going to see English. So if you, maybe it's Arabic or Chinese or Dutch or whatever, but I'm going to leave mine at English. If it's a bilingual video, you can, of course, select it, right? That's the English and the other language. So when I'm done, I'm going to click the video. Once again, ensure the video is selected, and then you click generate. Now, take note, this is a pro feature actually, but there's a video I uploaded on the channel showing you how to get this pro feature for free, right? So I'll link the link to that video in the pinned comment after this, in the pinned comment of this video. So go ahead and watch that video on how you can use this. Even though it's a pro feature, you can use it for free. So right here, if you want to change the font of your captions, you come to where you have font, the tab right here. Okay, on that text, right, on that the text tab, go to system, go to font, sorry, and then you click to have you're going to see a plethora of fonts, different fonts. So you can change the fonts for your captions, right? So I'm just going to choose, okay, let me go with Rubik. I think I like the Rubik font. Okay, yeah, this is it, Rubik. I think Rubik is cool. Now, ensure that this apply all tabs, this option is checked so that you don't have to make the changes to the individual captions, okay? When you make the change, once it applies to all captions. Now, you can also make it bold, okay? You can do just formats all your captions you want to underline and all that. And of course, you can also increase the font size like this. You can increase the size of the font. And of course, you can also change the color right here. Make it black or something. You can also use this preset styles. Okay, if you want it to be like this, if you want it a yellow color, want it over a yellow background, yellow and black, white and black, you can use this, right? Okay, now you go all the way down. You can also adjust it like this. And then you can also give it a background. So just play around it, right? So you can give it a stroke, okay? You can also give it a background, right? So this will make your subtitles to be very legible. And of course, you can reduce the opacity. You can reduce the opacity of the text, of the background, right? Okay, you can also make the rectangle to be rounded, okay? So just go ahead and play with the options here. So let me just reduce the size of this a bit, right? So let's preview the subtitle. Okay, so as you can see, I think it's pretty cool. Now, let's come to where we have the captions tab right here. Now you can edit your captions. So for example, there's, of course, you know that CapCut uses AI to analyze your video. So there is possibility that there could be mistakes. So you can edit your captions. Okay, so let's say there was a mistake somewhere along the line. You can edit them, okay, just to edit your captions. So when you click a particular line, it shows you the line on your screen, on your preview window here. So you get to see the section you're actually editing, right? So I think this is cool, okay? So just go ahead and play with these options. Okay, you can add some animations to your captions as well. Right, if you want it to, okay, let's see this one. So you just go ahead and play around these options. Some of them are of course pro, right? Or you can just leave it at the default setting, default options, right? So this is how you can add captions to your videos in CapCut, right? So just go ahead and explore these options. Now, earlier in this video, I told you about the fact that this feature is a pro feature, right? If you see here, a pro feature, but in this channel I made a video showing you how you can use this feature for free. Because if I pause this video and I go to where I have export, right now, if I want to export this video, it's going to tell me that I should join the pro plan because the auto captions feature is a pro feature. But there's a video I made on my channel showing you how you can use this feature for free. You can export the video for free. So I'll leave that video in the pinned comments together with the link to other videos in this CapCut video editing series for beginners, the entire playlist. Those two links will be in the pinned comment of this video. So thanks for watching. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and of course I'll attend to them as soon as possible. So thanks for watching once again. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and of course I'll see you in module 11.